Crystal sky above us, no sound around, chasing shadows buried deep in the ground. Heartbeats fading, lips are trembling. Infinite void we're remembering. Ocean whispers echoing loud in the dark. Eyes so empty, searching for just a spark. Bruised and battered, still we stand tall. Through the chaos we hear the call. Glowing Larimar wave breaks upon the shore, feeling every fracture, every scar we swore. World may crumble, but we'll rise from dust. It's the burning passion, it's the raging lust. Silent screams in the midnight cold, stories of despair that never get told. Fingers reaching out for something real. Can't numb the pain, can't mask how we feel. Twisted visions haunting every single night. Shattered dreams fleeing from the light. Holding on tight to what we've become, even if everything's said and done. Glowing Larimar wave breaks upon the shore, feeling every fracture, every scar we swore. World may crumble, but we'll rise from dust. It's the burning passion, it's the raging lust. Desert shadow whispers, cries, hollowing through the divide. Lost beneath the burning sky, echoes of a Yucca's pride. Their feet find the broken trail, depths where shadows fight, we find our flicker's light. Hear the faint Yucca tremble, heartbeats in the wasteland's breath, feeling life's last soft assemble on the edge of love and death. Dust clouds choking fading light, roaming lost under crimson skies. Echoes of broken days in flight, can't see past the tears in my eyes. Night falls heavy like a closing door, searching shadows for a glimpse of more. Tattered hope scattered on the floor. Just one chance, what am I fighting for? Scoured Mesquite, Wail in the desert night, haunted whispers consumed by fright, desperate voices lost in the fight, reaching for salvation out of sight. Bones of the past rattle in the wind, scarred souls reveal where we've been. Promises broken can't be pinned, the bitter taste of unrepented sin. Around like chains, heartbeats echo where silence reigns. Beyond the horizon lie the pains of shattered dreams gone down the drains. Scoured Mesquite, Wail in the desert night, haunted whispers consumed by fright, desperate voices lost in the fight, reaching for salvation out of sight. whispers echo in my veins night. Pale travertine tears, a world gone silent. Lost in the shadows, ripple through my heart. Stone walls crumble, torn apart again. Desperation deep. Every breath a sigh. Straining for the light. Drowning in the dark. Forgotten pathways, worn with endless pain. Every step a burden, weary legs so drained. Silent ghosts on trial, old regrets they linger. Whispered lies they echo through my broken mind. Desperation deep. Every breath a sigh. Straining for the light. Drowning in the dark. Torn cottonwood whispers, ghosts in the darkest nights. Lock my heart in twisted branches, can't see the stars for the fight. Shadows crawl on broken bottles, tracks through my tired bones. Cold wind has got no mercy, ripped my dreams from their home. Hell's whisper through the cottonwood, silent screams on the breeze. Lost hope in the tangles hold, aching echoes in the trees. Long road drenched in tear-stained lies, soul left out to dry. Haven't felt the sun in years, only clouds in my sky. Hell's whisper through the cottonwood, silent screams on the breeze. Lost hope in the tangles hold, aching echoes in the trees. Worn down threads and broken verses, cracked voice, it bleeds the hurt. Time doesn't heal the wounds, just plants roots in the dirt. in the dirt. Worn down threads and broken verses, cracked voice, it bleeds the hurt. Time doesn't heal the wounds, just plants roots in the dirt. Heat of the night makes me howl again. Crimson glow of the Rhodolite starts to burn. Shadows creep like memories left to die. I stare into the fading embers. Why, oh why? Whispers echo through the heavy air. Lips taste like sin, but do I even care? In the drift of silence, voices lost their spark. I search for answers till it cuts me in the dark. Feel the smolder touch my soul as it fades. Questions pierce my mind through the haze. Burning heart in the grip of a bitter lie. Tell me why does this ember never die? Buried deep, the secrets claw and scratch. Desires unravel like a haunting match. Flames rise and fall like endless pain. I'm bound by fire, shackled by its chain. Rage and sorrow mixed, drink up despair. Can't escape its hold no matter where. Ice cold as stone, mirrors to my plight. Trapped in this burning drift, engulfed by night. Embracing the scorch, feel it cut through bone. In the dance of flames, always alone. Fury brews beneath my skin's tight cage, seeking solace in the heart of the blaze. Rage! Beneath the gray sky, shadows crawl. Wilted redbud blossoms fall. Bridges burnt without a sound. Lost in dreams where I'm not found. Cry, clinging tight to reasons why. Faded reflections in the stream, chasing shadows of a dream. Wilted redbud, crimson stain, tears like rain. We feel the dark shadows cover my sight, searching for a fleeting light. A diopside sigh echoes through, wishing this nightmare ain't true. Cold whispers in the dead of night, memories I can't rewrite, tangled webs of hope and fear, lost in a sea of bitter tears. Sinking deep in waves of sorrow, no end in sight tomorrow. Burdened heart can't seem to fly underneath the diopside sky. Cracks in my fragile soul, patch me up, make me whole. Can't escape this aching grip, slowly feel my spirit slip. Fading out like a dying flame, haunted by a faceless name. Emptiness in every breath, drawn towards a silent death. Eyes locked in a trance like haze, lost within this endless maze, yearning for a savior's hand, guiding me to safer land. no end. Moonlight dances on my scars, battle cries under the stars. Every step another way, drowning in this twisted fate.